Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete photos from Google Photos step by step. I'll also show you how to move photos to the trash and permanently delete them if needed. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Photos, open your Photos library. Now click on the photo you want to delete. In the top right corner, click the trash icon. A confirmation message will appear. Click Move to Trash. The photo will be removed from your main photo library and moved to the trash folder. To view deleted photos, click Trash from the left sidebar. Here you can see all the photos that have been deleted. If you want to restore a photo, simply select it and click Restore. If you want to permanently delete it, select the photo and click Delete Permanently, then confirm the action. You can also delete multiple photos at the same time. Select the photos you want to remove, click the trash icon, and choose Move to Trash. Keep in mind that photos in the trash may remain there for a limited time before being permanently deleted automatically. That's it. You have successfully deleted photos from Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.